Happy Sunday, you guys. Listen, I just decided to vlog because one, I've actually been vlogging for the last like 3 weeks and I just haven't posted. I've been recording all types of videos and I just hate them. Like if I don't record, edit, and upload, I overthink it and it's like a thing. And so I end up not liking it. So here I am. It's Sunday afternoon. It's like 12 o'clock and I really need to get my life together. So here I am. I'm vlogging with you guys today. So first thing we're gonna do is my hair. And then after that, I kind of need to like repot some plants, and that's where I'll really like talk to you guys, and we're just gonna play the rest of it by ear, okay? Let me go ahead and set up and get this hair thing together. So I don't think I've ever showed y'all like my setup for how I record. So I've changed it quite a few times. My desk used to actually be right here, and today I just got the bright idea to put it in the middle of this room, so at least there's some sort of like background. My bird of paradise is looking rather frail. I need to clean my babies up today. But yeah, this is kind of what my setup is looking like right now. So yeah, I'm about to record real quick. I might actually get an entire video done today if I get started on it now and give my hair time to dry. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely think about some things, film this, think about some things, and get the show on the road. So you guys, the hair is done, and I really want to repot some of my plants. But the thing is, sorry if this is shaky, I'm holding the phone with my hand. But the thing is, I need some of the little plastic, like, things that catch the water, or if I want to bottom water, I need some of those. And I just think that like my grandma will literally like turn in her grave if I go out like this in public. But I'm sorry, Granny, I think I'm gonna have to do it. I think I'm gonna have to run to Dollar Tree like this and just be okay with it. So y'all, there was nothing in that Dollar Tree. I should have known by how dirty the parking lot was that this was gonna be a disaster. Like there was trash all over the parking lot. But thank God for Jesus, I'm in the same parking lot as Lowe's, and I'm just gonna go to Lowe's and pay a little more for what I need, and I might even possibly pick up a new plant. But that was a disaster. That's why I don't go in Dollar Tree here where I live, because I should have known better, Monica. All right, so I'm pulling up to Lowe's now. I know it's gonna be crazy out here. It's a Sunday and the weather is super nice, and everybody and their mama is in the garden and stuff right now. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'm home from all those stores, laying on the couch, watching This Is Us, eating chicken nuggets. Trying to find those plant saucers was a fail. They were like $3 at Lowe's, the ones that I saw. I didn't see any of the regular, like, cheap plastic ones. So I just came home and ordered them from Amazon and some other things. But it's like 3:30, 4 o'clock. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna repot these plants, like, as soon as this episode of This Is Us goes off. Just checking in. It's almost 6 o'clock, and I did take like a little nap, just a 15-minute nap, but I feel like refreshed. I feel like a better person. So I already have my potting soil. It's just like a potting mix. I put some orchid bark and some perlite, and I just kind of mixed it all together. I hate getting my hands dirty, so whenever I do anything with my plants, we put the gloves on. So I'm just gonna start by like taking them out of the nursery plant and putting some of them finally in these Forever Mood planters that I made. So that's all that I'm really doing today, and kind of cutting away some dirty leaves and getting rid of some of these gnats because it's just been crazy. But anyways, let's talk about life. If you follow me on Twitter, which I feel like you probably don't, because I don't even really talk about Twitter, but you know, the other day I was just kind of like, life is like hectic now, you know, like for one, sorry y'all, for one, when everything started and we were sitting at home, I didn't mind it because I had YouTube as a really great, oh hell no, sorry. I had YouTube as like a really great distraction. And that's really what I was focused on for the most part. And so, oh, that's cute. Real cute. And so now that I'm fully vaccinated and I can go see my friends and family and I can go out and do things, it's been really hard to balance, one, work, because we're working overtime because life is back to normal, kinda, or whatever it's going to be. I've been out of town for the last like 3 out of the 4 weekends, and like as much as I'm trying to prioritize and do videos and upload and edit, it's literally like only so much I can do. So that's why I haven't really been uploading on YouTube on a regular basis like I was, because finding that balance has just been crazy. But I'm planning, I'm working towards it. I definitely want to make sure that my YouTube is a priority because I like really enjoy it, and you make time for things that you enjoy and love and care about. And so it's not even that like I've hit a roadblock and there I don't want to record. It's just I just don't sit down to edit because looking at screens all day, and it's beautiful outside and I can actually go outside now. So I think, you know, just trying to focus on finding that balance and not being overwhelmed is like what I'm trying to figure out before June gets here. I don't know why I always feel like I need to do something before the beginning of the month, but like I like to go into it like with a good stride. So this week, I'm trying to like make a schedule and abide by that schedule and keep the ball rolling in life, which is easier said than done. But I think if I'm conscious about it, hold on. Do I want this to go in this one? I don't know, is that gonna be cute in there? Whatever. But if I make a conscious decision, at least I can get things done. So yeah, that's why I haven't been posting regularly. And it's not even because I haven't been recording, because I've actually been like recording a lot. I just haven't liked the content that I have been creating. Like it just feels like blah, like I don't like this. This is trash, and I'm not gonna edit and upload it because I feel like it's trash. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. Also, you guys, speaking of like recording and not sharing the footage with y'all, last Friday I took my first solo dolo trip. Oh God, this is falling apart. And so I'll show you guys, I'll insert some footage from that vlog that will never be seen. Okay, so it's like 12:30, right? And I don't have any more data on my phone, so my navigation isn't working. And I'm on my way to the airport, if you haven't realized that already. I'm going out of town for the weekend, literally for one day. But y'all, my anxiety level is through the roof right now. I've never been on a flight or to the airport by myself. And so the thought of me getting lost right now, the probability of me getting lost is very high. And I'm stressed. But I'm trying not to show it, you know what I mean? But like, the fact that I don't know how to get to the airport on my own and where to park is like, so I'm hungry, my stomach is growling, but it is taking everything in me to eat this right now, y'all. Like, I'm so nervous. So yeah, let's go see if we can find this airport. I mean, I know how to get to the airport, but let's see if I do this correct. Y'all, your girl is stressed. I'm at the airport, so we made it over one hump. Hump number 2. It's like, where do I go now? Now what? Like, I high-key just want to follow people. I think that's my best bet, right? Like, just follow people. So, you know, like, coming out of the quarantine, I'm ashy. He did not do a good job with this pedicure. Ooh, and I'm hairy. But anyways, you know, coming out of quarantine, I was just like, comfort zones who? Comfort zones where? Sis, like, this might be too much. Where's my mask? Where's my cloth mask? Because, you know, like, you know, I'm really trying to be 34. Like, I'm really trying to be grown. And I'm really trying to do things and be better. And this is completely out of my comfort zone, y'all. Like, I am an only child from a small town. I don't do things like this. I am not about this city girl lifestyle at all. I am so set in my ways. I am so nervous. Okay. So, okay. What do I do next? Like, I have to find, like, TSA, right? I should have watched a YouTube video. Where am I? I already checked in. I do know that much. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm, like, stalling. Okay, I need to go ahead, get in here, and figure out where I'm going, and pray that there's somewhere to charge my phone. You guys, I made it to my destination safe and sound and in one piece. I survived my first flight alone. That's it. Yeah, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. We are conquering comfort zones in 2021. They don't belong. So yeah, I'm excited for the weekend and to see how this goes. So yeah, I took a solo dolo trip to Dallas. It was a lot of fun. I hate that it was so short because I was literally there for 36 hours, but you know, hopefully I'll get to go again and I'll have more of a plan of what I want to do. But it was just, I was really proud of myself, honestly, because y'all, I don't do things like that. I don't travel by myself. I don't go, like, I mean, I do things by myself, like, yeah, but to go somewhere on a plane all by my lonesome and not have one of my friends, at least one, like, I'm a person that travels with at least one of my friends, but to do that by myself was completely out of my comfort zone. And honestly, y'all, I enjoyed it so much that I can't wait to do it again. Like, I'm 34 and it's like I should be able to do things like that by myself. Maybe not like travel out of the country, but at least like feel comfortable enough. And I know I'm a woman and I need to be careful, and I absolutely felt like I was, you know, and my god brother lives in Dallas, so I had someone on speed dial in case something crazy happened. I talked to him a couple times while I was out there. So it was just a really good experience. I'm so glad that I went, and I would absolutely do it again. What else has been going on? That's really it. Now it's like, now I'm ready for the summer, and I'm just ready to be social. And oh my god, y'all, another thing, I've hit 1,000 subscribers. Round of applause for you guys. Thank you so much. That happened this week. So hopefully I'll have my community tab and all that other stuff. So like when I do giveaways and stuff, I can do it on YouTube and not have to include Instagram, because I feel like that's kind of annoying. Like I use Instagram. It's just a lot trying to post on all the platforms that, like, I just kind of feel like YouTube is my go-to, and if I could just focus on YouTube, it would make things a lot easier. So hopefully I'll have a community tab soon. Hey, I hope I have it by the time this vlog goes up. And of course, hopefully I get monetized, because, you know, coins are good. I enjoy doing this, but it might even put a little more pep in my step if I was actually getting paid to do it. Not that I like need to get paid for doing anything, but like it would actually help. We'll see. But yeah, so 1,000 subscribers, it's time for me to do a giveaway. So in order to win this 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I just need for you to do a couple things for me. One, make sure you're subscribed. I feel like that's a dub. Two, tag another girlfriend. Like, just tag someone that you think would enjoy my channel, and that's it. You'll be entered. And I'm gonna let this go on for about a week. And after that, I will choose a winner, and I will hopefully have a way to contact you. I will definitely at least comment on your post, and we can exchange information and go from there. So what is going to be in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway? If I forget anything, definitely check the description box, because that's where all the details will be. But I'm giving away like my favorite items. So I have the avocado mask from Briogeo, which I absolutely love. The Melanin 7-in-1 leave-in conditioner. I have the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass styling mousse that I love. I have the Aloha clay mask from Chocolate Kinks and Curls. And there's one more item that I can't remember. But y'all, those are like my favorite items. You will get all of them. Just, you know, follow those instructions. I obviously can't multitask, and I really want to get this done. So I'm going to keep repotting, and we're going to see what else I can get done today. Okay, great. This lighting is so crazy right now, but sorry. It's like 10:15 at night. I just got out of the shower. I'm actually kind of hungry, but I don't have any snacks. So I'm just gonna have a beer and probably watch Grey's Anatomy. Real quick, I did kind of start whipping up Sheree Del Sol's fenugreek and aloe vera pre-poo deep conditioner. You follow me on Instagram, you know, like I did this one day, and I decided to just kind of do a video about how I pre-poo. So definitely stay tuned for that. That will be coming. Yeah, that's it for my Sunday fun day, even though it wasn't that fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys later.